Are you tired of showing your face on camera but still want to make serious money on YouTube? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're revealing 15 faceless YouTube channel ideas that have huge earning potential in 2025. Stick around for some game-changing tips and strategies. First up, we have niche tutorial channels. Whether it's DIY home projects, graphic design tips, or even gardening, tutorials are incredibly popular. Record your screen, add some helpful voiceovers, and boom, you've got yourself a channel that not only teaches but also generates high CPM, especially if your tutorials target specialized subjects. Next up, animation. Animated videos are some of the highest earning videos on YouTube, especially when you focus on stories, educational content, or even viral trends. Platforms like Toonly and Vion make it easier than ever to create professional animations with zero camera presence. Alright, this next one is for all you visual artists out there. For those who love video editing and have an eye for quality visuals, a stock footage channel could be your goldmine. Compile stunning cinematic clips, scenic shots, or thematic stock footage, and license them to creators or businesses who need high-quality visuals. You make money with every download. It's passive income at its finest. Chapter 4, Voiceover Commentary. If you've got a knack for commentary but don't want to show your face, why not create a channel that focuses on voiceover content? Whether it's news, tech reviews, gaming, or funny reactions, your voice can drive a lot of views, and CPM can be high, especially in specific niches like tech or finance. Chapter 5, Whiteboard Animations. Whiteboard animation is a super popular format for explainer videos. You can teach anything from business strategies to historical events without ever showing your face. And with high demand for explainer videos in 2025, this is a huge opportunity. Chapter 6, ASMR Channels. ASMR channels are still going strong, and it doesn't require you to show your face. This is all about creating those tingly, relaxing sounds that people just can't get enough of. And the best part? People listen to ASMR for hours on end, which means more watch time and more revenue for you. Chapter 7. Meditation and relaxation music channels are more popular than ever. If you can produce peaceful, relaxing soundscapes or guided meditations, this is a great way to make passive income with low effort and no face needed. Chapter 8. Calling all tech enthusiasts. You can create faceless channels by focusing on reviewing products with hands-only footage. Show the device in action, highlight features, and give your honest review. No need to be on screen. Chapter 9. If you're a great storyteller, consider an audiobook or narration channel. Read public domain books or even write and narrate your own short stories. Many people prefer listening to stories over reading, and this type of content can generate a lot of views. Chapter 10. Cryptocurrency and Finance. The finance world on YouTube is booming, especially with topics like cryptocurrency. You can create animated explainer videos, or provide in-depth analysis, news, and tips without ever showing your face. Chapter 11. Cooking and Recipe Videos. People love watching recipe videos, and you don't need to show your face to do it. Focus on hands-only footage, capturing the process of cooking. This channel idea works especially well for niches like vegan cooking, baking, or international cuisine. Imagine creating mouth-watering recipe videos that people can easily follow along with, all without showing your face. Chapter 12. Top 10 Lists and Countdown Videos. Everyone loves a good top 10 list, and you can create engaging countdown videos for virtually any niche: movies, games, historical events, or even unsolved mysteries. With the right visuals and a smooth voiceover, your list videos can go viral, and the CPM in entertainment content is pretty high. Chapter 13. Fitness and Home Workouts. If fitness is your thing but you don't want to appear on camera, you can create faceless fitness videos with animated exercises or voice-guided workouts. Imagine creating dynamic workout routines complete with animated demonstrations and motivating voiceovers. Chapter 14. Nature and Scenery Footage. Do you live in a beautiful area or love exploring new landscapes? Consider starting a nature or scenery-focused channel. Film breathtaking natural landscapes, wildlife, or calming views, and pair them with relaxing music or commentary. Chapter 15. Gaming Compilation Channels. If you're a gamer, create faceless content like gameplay highlights, funny moments, or strategy guides. Focus on the screen and let the gameplay speak for itself. With popular games like Fortnite, Minecraft, and others generating millions of views, this is a goldmine for faceless creators. So there you have it, 15 faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2025. The best part? You can get started today without showing your face. Now it's your turn. Pick your niche and start creating. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start your channel was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. Until next time, happy creating.